Before I begin, please like and subscribe to my channel and make a comment so I can bring you more news about predators and criminals getting arrested. Jacksonville, Florida, United States Attorney Roger B. Handberg announces that 53-year-old Jason Charles of Ramona, California has been arrested and indicted for distributing child sexual abuse materials over the internet. If convicted, Nicholas faces a minimum mandatory penalty of 5 years and up to 20 years in federal prison and a potential life term of supervised release. Nicholas was arrested on September 21, 2023 in San Diego County, California. He has been detained and will be transported to Jacksonville by the U.S. Marshals Service for prosecution in this case. According to court documents, on August 3, 2023, an FBI agent in the Jacksonville area, using the persona of the parent of an 11-year-old child, began working in an undercover capacity on a particular social media app to identify individuals who were attempting to sexually exploit children. The undercover began a private conversation on the app with a user named Cieldad, who was subsequently identified as Nicholas. Nicholas falsely claimed that he lived in Florida and indicated his desire to meet the undercover at the undercover's residence in Northeast Florida to have sex with the 11-year-old child. However, Nicholas subsequently abandoned this plan and began threatening the undercover that he would expose the undercover's purported criminal sexual conduct unless the undercover streamed live video of the child to Nicholas. The undercover refused to do so. Nicholas later apologized for threatening the undercover, and the two continued online conversations for several weeks. Nicholas told the undercover about his long-time practice of brushing up against and taking surreptitious photos, creep shots, of young girls in public places, and also that he had abused a young child after overdosing the child with medication. During an online conversation on August 17, 2023, Nicholas sent the UC 6 videos and 2 photos that depicted young children being sexually abused. Further investigation by the FBI led to the identification of Nicholas. On September 21, 2023, FBI agents, with assistance from the San Diego County Sheriff's Office, arrested Nicholas as he was on his way to work. On that same day, a federal search warrant was executed at Nicholas' residence, resulting in the seizure of several electronic devices. This case was investigated by the Clay County Sheriff's Office, the San Diego County Sheriff's Office, the St. Johns County Sheriff's Office, and the Federal Bureau of Investigation in Jacksonville and San Diego. It is being prosecuted by Assistant United States Attorney D. Rodney Brown. An indictment is merely a formal charge that a defendant has committed one or more violations of federal criminal law, and every defendant is presumed innocent unless and until proven guilty. It is another case brought as part of Project Safe Childhood, a nationwide initiative launched in 2006 by the Department of Justice to combat the growing epidemic of child sexual exploitation and abuse. Led by the United States Attorney's Offices and the Criminal Division's Child Exploitation and Obscenity Section, Project Safe Childhood marshals federal, state, and local resources to locate, apprehend, and prosecute individuals who sexually exploit children, and to identify and rescue child victims. For more information about Project Safe Childhood, please visit www.justice.gov/psc.